How to use Smash File Transfer to send large files. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you use Smash File Transfer to send large file from your computer. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open a browser on your system. Alright, after you open browser, in the search field you'll have to search for Smash File, and after you search it, you'll have to click on Smash File from here. Alright, after you come with this interface, you'll have to just click on this logo here to send your larger file. Alright, from the section select your larger files, as you can select your footage or video. Alright, after you select it, click on open. Okay, after you select it, as you can see, here is the one file has been selected, and from the section email I can easily send this video as email to others. So on the section your email, you'll have to provide your email or any other person email, your contact emails, subject and message, as you can also provide a link to download that video. So for that, click on link, and from here on the top you'll have to give your title. As you can see, after I give the title, here is the link automatically generated like forsmash.com random video, and after you get this title on the section your email, you'll have to provide your email ID. Alright, after you provide your email ID, here you can also check the options like require email to download files, so as you can check it on or check it off, and after you do it, click on the option get a link. Alright, after you done that process, you'll have to just verify with the verification code that you will receive on your Gmail. So simply open up your email. Alright, as you can see, here is the verification code. Okay, after you verify with the verification code, you will be able to easily transfer or send that last file from this link. As you can click on the option copy link from here, and from this way you can easily share that link to your any friend or any platform to download that video from this file smash. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.